Hi guys, it's Darren here from Deep Blue Apps and deepbluemarket.com. Now, when I was doing my latest template, Retro Blast, I decided to make the aliens a little bit more intelligent. Now, I'm going to be taking apart that template a little bit now and teach you how you can make the aliens a little bit cleverer. And I mean, let's face it, if you're going to get shot at, you're going to try and move out of the way, aren't you? So we've given the aliens a random integer. Now, when the bullet gets within a certain radius, a certain magnitude, it's going to try and dodge out the way, or it's going to disappear and reappear like that one has just done there. Now, the clever thing about this is, if the bullet is on its left hand side, it'll move to the right, and if the bullet's on its right hand side, it'll move to the left if it picks a dodge like it did there. So really nice. It's got a 1 in 3 chance of getting hit, just like so, and a 1 in 3 chance of going smaller and bigger, just like so, and a 1 in 3 chance of moving to the left or right to get out the way of the bullets. And I just think it makes for a better game, better alien AI. Now, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really easy. In the bullet actor here, we've just got two constraints: constrain bullet X to position X and gain bullet Y to position Y. And you can see those attributes there. Now, you don't have to do that. You can go into the actor, unlock it, and get the X and Y position of the bullet via the scene layers. But for this demo, we've just set up two game attributes: bullet X and bullet Y. And the magic happens here. We've just got a self start X there. It's an integer, and we're just changing that integer to its position X, because when we move to the left or right, we want to move back to its original position. Simple animate there, and this is really where the magic happens. We've got a self integer here, distance, and we set it to 120. So basically, if the distance 120 is greater than magnitude, just move this across here so you can see it. Self position X, take away gain bullet X, comma, self position Y, take away gain bullet Y. So that's just how you set up magnitude. The position of the two object targets, which is self position X and gain bullet X, and then we set up the position of the two Y positions for the other two objects. So basically we set that to 120, so it's got a 120 circle radius there, and when it gets inside that 120, it's going to choose an action. Now, we've got choose action here, again integer, set it to 0. We're going to randomise this to 1 to 3, so it's going to pick a number 1, 2 or 3. Now, if it picks number 1, it's going to interpolate its self-size width to 8 and 7. The sprite is 64 by 56, so just to keep it pretty neat, even though you won't see it when it interpolates down so fast. Now, we're using a little, I'm not sure if it's a bug, but when you interpolate the size of an actor, it no longer registers the collision. So while it's interpolating down, the bullet will just fly over it as if it's not even touching it. And once we get to the self-size width equals 8, we just interpolate the actor back up again. So that's if random equals 1. If the choose action equals 1, we're going to dodge the bullet by shrinking down and then growing back up. And the other one, where you dodge left and right, is if self choose action equals 2, then self position X is bigger or equal to gain bullet X. So basically, if the X position of the alien is to the right of the bullet, is bigger than the bullet, then we're going to go carry on to the right. Otherwise, if self position X is less than gain bullet, then we're just going to go self start X to minus 64. So basically, we're moving 64 pixels to the right or 64 pixels to the left based on the gain bullet X. And then basically we're just resetting the actor back there, and then we're just simple overlies actor collide bullet, then we're just spawning an explosion. So that's it. If number 3 happens, if it chooses number 3, it won't interpolate, it won't dodge. So the only other option the alien's got is to get blown up. So rather nice, very easy, simple tutorial. I just think it makes for a slightly better game. You can see there, they're dodging out of the way, left or right, interpolating their size down so the bullet flies over their head. or they're getting shot. Yeah, rather nice little tutorial. Hope you find it useful. You can obviously increase or decrease the size of the magnitude, but yeah, just a little bit better, more intelligent aliens. Because let's face it, guys, if someone's shooting at you, you are going to try and move out of the way. Okay, it's Darren, and I'm going to sign out now. And don't forget to check our new template entitled Retro Blast on deepbluemarket.com. Cheers for now.